I'm Lisa from Surmulerum. This is the second video in the series about healthy vegan breakfast smoothies. Today we're going to make a fresh, delicious green smoothie. It's a great way to get your leafy greens and your antioxidants and your vitamins. If you haven't seen the video about how I made the pineapple banana smoothie, the link is up there or in the description below. We are Andy and Lisa, a musician and an illustrator. This is where all our crazy ideas come together. Welcome to the Surmulerum. Please subscribe to our channel. It's completely free. I picked some fresh kale and spinach from the garden. Just chop it roughly and remove the stems from the kale. Put it in the blender jug. You can use any leafy greens really, broccoli leaves, beet greens, Swiss chard. The amount should be about a third of the blender cup when it's packed down. Stick a good handful of ice cubes in it to make it really fresh. I use half a lime to counteract the oxalic acid from the spinach. For the fruit, I use 1 large pear, an apple, one banana, I use 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of chia seeds. For the fluids, I use the third of the blender jug with coconut water. Then I add orange juice. I use about 4 centimeters of the jug. That's about 1.5 inch. Then I fill up to the full mark with rice milk. Lastly, I add a cup of oats on top. Then blend it till it's nice and smooth. then serve it nice and cold. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, give us a like. Please subscribe to our channel, it's completely free. And if you hit the little bell icon, you'll be notified when we upload new videos. And remember, in a world where you can be anything,